Welcome to our tutorial on how to mute calls from a specific friend on Messenger. In this updated guide, we will walk you through the steps to easily silence incoming calls from a particular contact. Let's get started. First, open the Messenger app on your Android device. Once you're in the app, navigate to the chat with the friend you want to mute calls from. Next, tap on the contact name at the top of the chat. This will open a menu with various options for that specific contact. In the menu, tap on Notifications and Sounds. This will take you to a new screen where you can customize the notification settings for this contact. Now tap on Calls from the list of notification settings. This will allow you to specifically manage the ringing and notifications for incoming calls from this contact. You will see a list of options for call notifications. Choose the option to mute calls from this contact. This will prevent your device from ringing or vibrating when they call you. Finally, tap OK to save your changes and apply the call mute settings to this contact. You have now successfully muted calls from the specific friend on Messenger. Remember, you can always go back and adjust these settings at any time if you change your mind. This feature is perfect for when you need some peace and quiet without completely blocking a friend from contacting you. That's it for this tutorial on how to mute calls from a specific friend on Messenger. We hope this guide has been helpful to you. Thank you for watching and happy messaging.